Well, he attack me. But Jaden Chase, they have to make the fans them know what really are going on.
What you talking about is Jaden Place. See me up to the time, a cartel. I represent for Jaden Chase. We spray them face on the AK rays. See me up to the time, the Gaza station.
Yeah, man, move settings, viewers and subscribers. And we no need no ladder. Gaza Nation, when you find the Gaza station, welcome to the channel, Jaden Chase. Yes, we are bringing on another new and yes, exciting reasoning for the topic of dancehall and entertainment. Remember, man, I'm in a room. Don't know. For click the subscribe icon, then the bell icon, and for also leave a like, a comment, and yes, boss a share on the vlog in truth. Now, viewers and subscribers, why is it when the prosecution is ordered to present key pieces of evidence, key exhibits, them always either conveniently lose it in New York while going shopping, or them lose it in a Kingston from Ocean Boulevard Digicel headquarters to King Street Supreme Court building, which is approximately only a few city blocks. Now, viewers and subscribers, paralegals for the defense, while doing paragraph highlighting, have uncovered another huge cover-up by the office of the DPP. Now, viewers and subscribers, a handwriting expert had been brought on board to conduct an analysis of two documents reportedly signed by the prosecution's star witness. Now, the defense claim is that, to their intelligence, that expert had viewed the documents. Now, when the defense asked the office of the DPP what were the report or a statement detailing the expert's findings, the senior prosecutor failed to comply. According to him, the expert was contacted, but in the end, the plan to analyze the document was aborted. Now, viewers and subscribers, keep in mind, a statement from a witness has to be signed. Now, the defense requested proof. Remember, during the ordeal, it was pointed out that the witness changed statements. Now, the defense asked for the expert to be brought in or for his findings to be disclosed. Now, yes, the expert did look at the documents. And of course, as to what was proven in court, the statements were different. Now, which one did he sign? If he signed any at all? Were these statements merely typed up by the prosecutor and then a signature attached to it? Because people have always said, fleeing from your captor, seeing your captor injured, and then returning to your captor's rescue sounds like something out of a fairy tale book. I mean, I agree. Nobody now run from nobody for them life. See the person where chase them, get injured, and then turn back, wife for the back, and then go help them. Remember, you try to get to it. And seeing something happen to the person we are flee from would only give you more of a head start, so you can continue to make your escape. In no way, shape, or form would you stop and turn back and help the individual who you are flee from. That is why the people them never like the statements. The public had a problem with it. The jury, even though being instructed by a key few, say what you know, is a guilty verdict we are returned with. Even them did I say, yo, the statement sound like a fairy tale. Now the paralegals have uncovered that the fact that they never presented that. The statement along with the evidence used. And some people point to the fact that why they may have a crown witness, but yet still them choose, for one, the appeal court uphold the initial conviction based on cell phone messages which were proven to be tampered with. Why then was also the initial conviction based upon that said tampered with evidence, even though the judge himself attested to the fact that yes, the evidence did seem to be tampered with? Why was not the statement of the witness reliable enough. He was the individual who said him see Clive Williams there. There was nobody else. There was no forensics to prove he was there. Vybz Kartel said he had never seen him at the premises. He never go there so. Then we go stage show together. Or if him there studio at Waterford, during that time, he might see the individual there, but never at this premises. Now this key crown witness was the individual who placed him there. So why was not any resources allocated to proving his statement to be true? Because there was no way, shape or form them could have proved it to be true. Because remember, if you have a confession or you make a statement, you have to sign it. Remember, this statement was given to the JCF, which prompted them to do what? Go and pick up Vybz Kartel. So it had to be a signed statement. And if it was not his signature, then it was not his statement. And if it was not his statement, then this was cooked up. Freedom is a must. Freedom is a must. I don't see why people still wonder why we are saying that. Locally, as a matter of fact, fans overall who have seen our judicial system at work have voiced this opinion. Even the defense attorneys, former defense attorneys, said this. Even though the ruling was corrupt, they are still somewhat not shocked, because them basically are saying, being defense attorneys for much years they have been defense attorneys, them see the judicial system at work before. Them know how the ODPP got to work. Them know if evidence will get fabricated, it will. They know. Them know say something will get tampered with, them are going to tamper with it. Them know if the security forces need to take matters into their own hands, they will do that as well. I'm not saying all of them are like that. You have people actually join the force to make a difference. Somewhere along the line they are corrupted though. And their actions prove this. And some people will say, because of what is taking place on the island and how our officials feel overwhelmed, they must resort to certain measures. But that is not the remedy. That is not the antidote. And in this particular case, because it spawns situations like this, where the prosecution cannot follow a gut feeling all the way to the point that them would have tampered with evidence and present it in open court. Because them feel that this is right. Or because they were instructed by the people who them feel always right. And not just food for thought, the proof is there. You don't have to follow their own conclusions because the proof is there. You don't have to surmise. No speculations are needed because the proof is there. We are basically tracing the dots at this point to draw the image. This is a kindergarten's book. You're basically tracing the dots to draw the image at this point in time. And the dots are there. Connect the dots. Connect the dots. If them couldn't prove the crown witness statement to be true, if them key piece of evidence was tampered with, and why when them at time for them present these things in court, them always lost them and can't find them. Man them say show out the phone, them say, oh, we did say if them can't come a yard, you know, Ray, why? The question is why? Talk to me in the comment section. Talk to me in the comment section. The paralegals have found this, and these key aspects of dialogue in open court will also be highlighted, documented, and presented to the UK Privy Council. By the one called Jaden Chase, the dancehall correspondent, the Gaza representative. By I'm reminding you, if you're new to the channel, new to the movement, just a pass through. But you like the reason, and of course you like the point of view, well, I'm suggesting to you that you click the subscribe icon and then the bell icon right after that and put it on all. And this is how you know we'll be notified of all fresh content as soon as fresh content is uploaded and made available for you right here on the platform. The like icon there too, drop a like on the blog for my like with you. Bust a share on the vlog in truth. Comment section open 24/7, never lack yet. Just be respectful and yes, mindful of the guidelines. You know, some people are asking the special still up and running. Yes, contact upon the IG page for more details about that. Now, until the reason again, first and foremost, our move settings from we don't need no ladder. And my sentiments for you and yours is, of course, we want to live, love, and yes, prosper. Until the reason again.